Damn, Dior.
Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these Percocets.
Hey y'all, good morning and welcome to the vlog. I just randomly decided to record this. As I was taking my hair down. I don't know which vlog this is gonna be in, y'all, because I have so many like random video clips, random vlog clips of me doing things and recording it, and I just don't edit them. But I am going to sit down and edit everything. But oh, look at my hair. So right now I'm currently taking my hair down from these two French braids so I can go get some Fulani braids by my girl Asia. Now, honestly, if you guys with me, because just for like a pamper day, like these are my only 2 days off, so I'm doing this today to go get my hair done. And I also have to get, I'm also going to get my lashes done, my eyebrows, and my nails. So I know I like to watch these kinds of vlogs. Like, why not record something and bring you guys along the journey? But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. My face. Oh, I was done taking it out. These braids were really cute. I also will be getting a new phone soon, so better quality on the way, to be freaking honest. Lord knows I do not feel like washing and blow drying my hair. I'm so pretty. I love waking up like this. Okay, y'all, I'm about to wash and blow dry my hair. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Now, about to get my hair braided. This stuff I bought. This is the before. Hey y'all, update. Hair is done. I just put it up into a bun because the braids are really thick, and I asked for them to be thick so I could put them in a bun. And I'm at the mall. I just got my eyebrows done. I really don't like them, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. I'll fix them. And I got some Taco Bell, because I've been craving Taco Bell, I'm not gonna lie. But right now I'm just waiting on my Uber so that I can go home, go to sleep, because your girl got a lash appointment tomorrow. I gotta wake up early for, right before I go to work. So, and I need some lashes, and my face looks so empty. But my hair is so cute though. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the crib. I'm chilling. Hair done. Eyebrows done. I'm still not really feeling the eyebrows, to be honest. I feel like she did too much. But y'all, I love my hair. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I actually love it. And I called the nail salon because it's currently 8:40, and I called this nail salon that's open to like 11. So she told me to call back because they're all booked. So I'm waiting to call back to see if they have any availability for me so I can get my nails done, because I really want to get my nails done before I go get my lashes done. But I'm about to eat on my taco. But like I was saying, I'm about to eat on my Taco Bell. Y'all, and that's so irritating because I literally ordered 2 combo meals for myself and they did not give me that, but I guess I didn't order it. But when I literally said that I wanted 2 combo meals, and the guy was like, okay, 2 meals. So I'm just like, but it's probably for the best anyways. But yeah, I love my hair and I hope I can get my nails done. But y'all, I'm about to eat on this Taco Bell. I'm about to grub and probably lay my head down and watch some YouTube, and also finish uploading my previous vlog. So I'll talk to you guys if I end up getting my nails done tonight. Y'all not fucking on my last test. Period. Hello everybody. It is currently 12:33 on the clock. And it is Saturday today. Y'all, right now I'm chilling in bed because usually I've been working from 1 to 10, so like I just be at work all day. But they just changed my schedule to 5 to 10 for the next couple of days. So, and my original plan was to keep my 1 to 10 right up until I start this college program, but they changed it. I wasn't tripping on them changing it for today because I did need the extra sleep. Like, I needed the extra sleep. But as far as like tomorrow and stuff goes, like, I need my money. So I tried to call them. But yeah, I tried to call them and stuff and they didn't answer. So I'm gonna just have to figure that out. I don't know, maybe God's just telling me to just take a break or take it easier. What the freak? Maybe he just telling me to take it easy or something. I don't know. But you guys, yeah, so I woke up, I slept the freak in. It feels so good. I feel like rejuvenated. I definitely feel like I had a good night's sleep. Like, I low-key want to take another nap or something. But I wanted to hop on to close out this vlog because I didn't do a proper closing out. After I left to get my lashes done yesterday, I ended up just going to work for the rest of the night. My day was crazy, but I can't even tell y'all. I still didn't get my nails, but y'all, I still didn't get my nails done because when I left from getting my hair done, it was way too late. But y'all, I fucking look like I got a big ass sideburn. But y'all, I just wanted to hop on and clear out this vlog like as it should be cleared out, or closed out. I didn't want it to just be like, all right, bye, and then you just don't know what happened. Guess we'll never know. But yeah, y'all, so I was thinking maybe I will do like a get ready with me today. But y'all, this is the ending of the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little just pamper day vlog with me. And you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more. I know, like, you know, you guys have been very patient with me because I'm getting, you know, I'm trying to get more active on here and stuff because I really do like YouTube. So, but you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more. Please trust the process because I promise you we're going up. Like, we're going up. Might just take some time or whatever is in God's plans, but trust that this channel will be going up. So you guys might as well just stay tuned for the journey and watch the journey, watch the process, watch me grow, because I do be trying to like record a lot of stuff. I just don't be like sitting down and putting everything together. But you guys make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Like, trust me, I promise you this channel is going up. Like, but besides that, I hope you guys have an amazing day today because I know I sure will. And don't let no weird stuff like make your day go bad. Like, if you're having a good day and like something tries to like come in your way and like take you off your course, like don't allow that to happen. Like, literally, it's easier said than done, but it's like try your hardest like to just stay positive all day. Like, even though some shit might really like piss you off, like just try your best to like get back on your course, get back on your track, and just be like, I'm not gonna let one little thing ruin my day, because there's been so many times where things could have ruined my day and I ended up just like prevailing to have a positive day, and my day turned out so freaking beautiful. And I was like, if I would have let that one thing ruin my day, I wouldn't have been able to see how beautiful this day truly was. You feel me? So, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that little tip of advice because it's like that's something I'm still working on myself, but it definitely goes a long way. Like, when you just don't allow shit to like get in your way. So yeah, that's all I have to say to my beautiful subscribers, my Raya babes. I might call you guys my Raya babes or my Ray babes or something like that. I don't know, you guys, but I do know that I love you so much. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, trust the process. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that we can like grow, and like comment down below like any of your opinions or thoughts on the video. And you guys can also follow me on social media. It's always linked down below. I be active on my Instagram story. I'm trying to like get really active and stuff like that, but you know, it's all just a process. So you guys trust it, and I'll see you in my next. Before I was rudely cut the freak off by my freaking phone, I was saying that I will see you guys till next time. Till next time, okay?